I'm going to share some of my favorite healthy budget foods. Okay, I'm going to list them off, a few of my favorites. Let's get started with those healthy and relatively cheap foods. Number one on my list is oats. You can buy a huge bag of oats, rolled oats or quick oats from the grocery store for a very affordable price. You can make so many different things with them. You can make muffins, you can make cookies, you can make oatmeal, you can make overnight oats. I mean, whatever you like. Oats are so great. Number two is dry lentils, which you know I talked about before in this video. They are so cheap and they last you such a long time. So if you can get in the habit of cooking with dry lentils, you're gonna save a lot of money. Number three is rice or brown rice, whichever one you like. Rice is cheap. You buy a huge bag. You can actually check in the grocery store. Usually at the bottom, it'll say how much per 100 grams or whatever it is in the States. I don't know, this is just in Canada. So you can actually compare if it really makes sense to buy rice in bulk. So for me, it was so much cheaper to buy this huge bag of basmati rice, which I use all the time. So that's really cheap. It lasts me a really long time. So I love rice. Carrots are another one. You can buy a huge 5-pound bag of carrots for really affordable, and they don't go bad too quickly in the fridge, which I love as well. And then next up is bananas. Bananas have always been affordable and they are so great. You can have them with your breakfast, you can have them as a snack, you can have them with peanut butter, whatever you like. Next is a bag of spinach. I love to buy a bag of spinach. I'm going to use what I'm going to use as soon as I feel like it might be going bad. I'm going to throw the rest of that spinach in the freezer. I don't do anything with it. I just close it up with one of those little bag clips and throw it in the freezer. And the next time I'm making a chili, a soup, a stew, a curry, I'm going to grab that spinach. I'm going to throw it right in. So easy. It doesn't require any work. That's what I love about it. You just have to be mindful that if you think it's going to go bad and you're not going to eat it, chuck it in the freezer. You can use it later. Next up is frozen berries. They are so much more affordable than buying fresh berries. I love fresh berries, but they are honestly so expensive if they're not on sale. I don't know if it's the same where you live, but fresh berries are quite expensive. So buying frozen berries, you can get this huge bag here for like 15 bucks. I don't know, again, how much in the States, but for us, that is a crazy good deal because when you buy one little thing of blueberries, one tiny little like half pint, it's like $6. It's crazy or more. So yeah, something to keep in mind. The frozen berries are a lot cheaper. Next up is frozen vegetables. Yes, frozen vegetables are maybe not necessarily my favorite. It's harder to get them crispy, to have that little al dente, that little bite, but they are cheaper. They're great for things like soups, stews, things like that. So keep those in mind. Next up is potatoes. If you buy a big bag of potatoes, you know you're going to use them, or a small bag of potatoes. Potatoes are quite hearty and quite cheap, and you can really make a dish centered around a potato. For example, you can do like a sloppy joe style potato, something like that, where it's a full meal and it's centered around the potato, which is really great. Next up is popcorn, not microwave popcorn, not purchased popcorn in the bag, actual popcorn seeds. Such a great snack, so full of fiber, and they are dirt cheap. Also, that brings me to my next thing, which is corn. Corn is very cheap as well. When corn is in season, you get corn on the cob. It is so cheap and so delicious. Next up is a head of cabbage. A head of cabbage goes such a long way. It's actually wild how much cabbage you get when you start grating it. So if you like cabbage, you don't have to just have coleslaw. You can have things like chopping it up and putting it in like a ramen soup, or you can chop it up and put it in a stir fry, or there's so many things you can do with cabbage. You can make like a cabbage steak with pesto, like all these different things that you can do with cabbage. So keep cabbage in mind because it is very cheap. You get a lot for your money. Next up is tomato sauce in the can. I talked about that earlier. You can buy tomato sauce in the can that's not like already a pasta sauce, like a marinara or something like that. Add a few spices to it. So cheap, so good. Next is tofu and edamame. These are always Soy products are always cheap as well if that is something that you eat. And then last but not least, one of the cheaper nuts is peanuts. So I love to have peanuts around. You can even make your own peanut butter at home if that's something you're into. It's actually quite easy. And that is it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys found this video helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments or if you found this helpful. I really appreciate you watching, and like I said, I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. See you next time.